do that. Well, you can, but I can't. I got the pole.
Go up and down.
I go up and down, you go side to side. That's not wrong. Oh, right back at you.
I'm sorry, but I had to do that. I'm sorry. Take one now.
We're going around and around we go.
I admit this is my idea, but now I think it's stupid.
Yes.
Hey, you were on board with it.
Woohoo! Hey, we're dorks. We're going to stay together.
Hey, I first decided not to go, but my mom convinced me, so blame my mom. Blame my mom. I blame you, Mom.
Hey, that guy goes to school with us.
And my mom's not caring. Kita, if you drop that, I will laugh.
I'm gonna drop my phone. I mean, the camera.
Where's it? I got my iPhone right now.
Yay, it's almost over.
Actually, it is over, to be exact.
Yeah. I want to go in there.
No.
You're not
No. I say no. That was the boringest ride ever.